emergency. There's an emergency vehicle that needs to pass. Okay? There's an emergency vehicle that needs to pass. GBF.
Actually, hapit na. Malapit na.
Malapit na, malapit na.
Pwede natin compare?
Sige, pwede, compare natin. Ay, ikaw una. Okay, let's call in our first player of the day. And we'll call it the 5. Okay, come on, 5 players. Okay, so players, we would like to request Papa P to, sige, facility yun. We'd like to request Papa P to stand on the, you are player number 1, player number 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will do this one by one. When I say 3, 2, 1, go, about face ka player 1, and Piolo is looking at you. Once you turn back, that is the start of the official time sa no reaction challenge. The longest no reaction will win. For 1, 3, 2, 1, go! Including ang blink.
Okay, isa pa.
Sige, isa pa. One more.
Do you want the walang blink na lang?
Walang
blink na lang. Walang blink.
Pwede kinda.
Walang blink ha. Oh, sige lang. If you blink, it's okay. Okay, if blink is okay. Basta other movements of the face and body will not be allowed. Breathing is okay. Breathing and blinking are the only things that are acceptable for this challenge. Player number 1, 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow. Grabe ka strong. Grabe, ano? Closer. Agay.
Ready? In 3. Ay, saha. Wapaha. So I have the record here. If mas matagal siya na naka-stare kay Piolo with no reaction, I will tell player number 1 that she's out of the game. But if mas matagal si player number 1, I will tell you na you will be out of the game. I will not say the number of...
Balo ka close.
Iyo kayang lips. Go!
Mataray si ate. Para kontrabida sa LC. At si Papa P ang ibigay.
Move! 15 seconds! Gusto mo na ako
Bayo na saan? Bayo na saan? Bayo!
And ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner!
Ay, guwapa. Go, tita.
Contestants, come on. With all the contestants, because Papa P will be giving you a special prize this morning.
Just keep on running, keep on taking care of your health, and don't forget of all the things that we have to do pre-run, during run, post-run, and we have all the products that you need from IPI, and of course, kailangan natin ng pain reliever, advanced spray, para ma-easy sakit ng katawan. And don't forget, recovery, okay?
And
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. I'll see you again. God bless you all.
one last time, 1, 2, 3!
Alright, one more time, Papa P. Let's have a selfie.
Selfie muna, everybody! Alright, so speaking of recovery, okay, so what else? Speaking of recovery, at IPI Run, we have a recovery